So find the general solution for this DE. Let your answer y in terms of x means you're until general solution only. We don't have any value to find out the particular solution. First step, your standard form. Standard form must be start with dy dx. And then the term y, second term y will be at the middle here, equals to 7. So from the first step, standard form, we have to identify what is your coefficient y. Apakah perkali y di sini? 3 over x, negative 3 over x. So from here we identify px is equal to negative 3 over x. So this px will be going for the second step, which is I, in the integrating factor. Our formula of integrating factor, Vx will be equals to E. We will integrate at the power side. So integrate our Px di tempat power. So simplify this. As negative 3 we can factorize up. We integrate 1 over x. We get ln x. And then we can simplify some more. Negative 3, we move up by properties of the ln. It will become the power so that E ln can be simplified. So now your x is power to negative 3. So your integrating factor here is 1 over x cubed. Step 3, m. M stands for multiplying. Multiplying the integrating factor into the standard form here. So multiply up this one, it will give you 1 over x cubed dy dx. Then multiply with this. Just write it. This step is just write it without any calculation. Just show up. Just show the step, multiply. So our calculation fall on here, finding integrating factor. Continue. Next step, P, for writing the product rule. So as a guideline, product rule can be written is d dx vx y. Vx, what is your integrating factor? Your Vx is 1 over x cubed y equals to the right hand side, just copy only, follow up. Follow through the questions. Lastly, when we see this, we will get to integrate. When you integrate the differential equation, you get the solution y. So integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. So inside here remain same thing. Integrate and differentiation. Differentiation and integration cancel each other. This is differentiate. Then we integrate both sides. When it cancel each other, so we can simplify here. It gives you 1 over x cubed y. So now we're going to integrate this side. 7 factorize up. X, individual x can be rewrite into the power of negative 3. So we integrate this power plus 1 over new power plus c. Lastly, simplify until we get the general solution. So negative 7 over 2, this one we write it power negative at denominator. So one more last step, simplify to leaving here single y only. Multiply back x cubed to right hand side. So multiply x cubed, here also multiply x cubed. Simplify the multiplication, you will give you can notice that x squared multiply with x cubed, simplify. So here leaving negative 7 over 2x plus cx cubed. So notice that this cx cubed cannot be written as C because C is a constant, while X is our variable. We cannot represent it as a constant C. Alright, so we remain it as the multiplication C times X cubed. Biar je, tak boleh simplify jadi C.